हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। इस वीडियो में हम लोग द गोल्ड वॉच से रिलेटेड जो कंप्रहेंशन शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे। और मैं आपको फिर से बता दूं कि इसमें 30 वर्ड्स में लिखने होते हैं। ये जो आंसर लिखेंगे आप, जो अभी मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूं, और ये दो होते हैं, दो में 3 क्वेश्चन को एग्जाम में पूछे जाएंगे। इसमें 2 आप लोगों को लिखने होंगे और ये 4 मार्क्स का एक होगा। 4 + 4 = 8, इस तरह से ये होंगे। तो उस ये सारे क्वेश्चंस जो हैं, जो पिछला वीडियो था, जो उसी से रिलेटेड हैं, उसी शॉर्ट स्टोरी से रिलेटेड हैं और आपको आसानी से याद हो जाएंगे। तो मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ उसके कैरेक्टर्स के और उसकी जो प्रॉब्लम थी उसके बारे में। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड, हु वाज शंकु एंड वेयर डिड ही वर्क? Sanku was a low-paid worker. He worked in a factory. The next question may be asked, what were Sanku's problems and how did he plan to solve them? उसकी क्या समस्याएं थी और उसने उन्हें कैसे प्लान किया सॉल्व करने के लिए। Sanku had debt, D-E-B-T, debt means loan. Sanku had debt, poverty and his family problems. He planned to solve them by stealing the gold watch of the engineer of the factory. The next question may be, what was the habit of the engineer? The engineer had a habit to leave his gold watch on his office table every afternoon when he went for his lunch. The next question may be, what time of the day did Sanku think was suitable for stealing the watch and why? Sanku thought that the lunch time was the most suitable for stealing the gold watch because at that time the engineer and the other workers used to go out for having lunch. The next question may be, what stopped Sanku from stealing the watch in the beginning? Sanku was a coward, so his cowardice, hesitation and fear of being caught stopped him from stealing the watch in the beginning. Next question may be, was Sanku an honest person? If yes, then why? Yes, Sanku was an honest person because his inner conscience made him realize his mistake of stealing the watch. So at last he forgot all his problems and kept the watch back on its place. Next question may be, what were Sanku's feelings before stealing the watch? शंकु की क्या भावनाएं थी घड़ी चुराने से पहले? बिफोर स्टीलिंग द वॉच, शंकु हैड ए फीलिंग दैट आफ्टर सेलिंग द वॉच ही वुड गेट सफिशिएंट मनी दैट वुड सॉल्व ऑल हिज फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स एंड टेंशंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में भी, व्हाट वर शंकु's फीलिंग आफ्टर स्टीलिंग द वॉच और हाउ डिड द वॉच सीम टू हिम आफ्टर स्टीलिंग इट? पहले उसकी क्या भावनाएं थी घड़ी चुराने से और घड़ी चुराने के बाद उसकी क्या भावनाएं हुई, इसके बारे में. आफ्टर कमिटिंग द थेफ्ट, Sanku thought that someone had seen him stealing the watch. He would be caught, insulted, punished and dismissed from his job. The watch seemed to him like a burning cinder. So he took the gold watch out of his pocket and kept it in its rightful place. Why did Sanku curse himself? Next question may be asked, why did Sanku curse himself? When Sanku noticed that his wife was again pregnant, he had already 2 children to feed, so he was stunned and cursed himself. Next question may be, was Sanku responsible for his problems? If yes, then why? Yes, Sanku was responsible for his problems because a man should only spend money on his needs, not on desires. He should withdraw his hand from taking money from others, and he should have avoided his expenses on tea and smoking. He should follow family planning. And as a thoughtful man, he should have spent money within limits of his income. So, Sanku was responsible for his own problem.